Okay, today there are two charts that we want to analyze. The first one is called is the Nasdaq 100, and the second chart that we want to look at is the S&P 500. Uh, I have my friend Dominic, who is a chartist, and he's going to give a bit of his input on what he thinks because looks like there is a triple top that may be happening, and both charts are quite similar. And okay, so let's look at the first one, which is the S&P 500. So now we are looking at the support, right? Resistance level at 4,500 to about 4,600 region. So the of course there are two ways that the chart can trend moved. The first one, of course, a triple top. Sometimes resistance, yeah, it might, if it hit the resistance, there's a possibility as well that it will go down. And but if it breaks that resistance, the triple top resistance, yeah, then it's they are the good signs, very bullish signal, correct, Mr. Dominic? Okay, so okay, Dominic, can you just let us know a bit about the Nasdaq 100? Because I feel that both charts are very similar in the way the charts behave. Oh shit! One second. Second, where's the search? 是 percentage. Okay, let's resume here. This is the Nasdaq 100. Of course, now there's a possibility that it might hit a resistance of 15,000. And of course, we have seen the highs of 16,000 before, which was the period of January 2022. And of course, since Jan until now, with all the war crises and all that, it has gone down to as low as 12,500. This is 13, but there's it dipped to about 12,000 plus. So now Nasdaq is back to the middle. And what's your opinion, Mr. Dominic, on the potential of how the charts may trend?
Okay, basically we have like what Justin shared, we are reaching a very potentially strong resistance at around 15,000, which is around this level.
Very near, another 200 points.
And there's a very high possibility of a triple top. Now, there's a chance of retracement, so it's a very good position to take profit temporarily until the momentum comes back. Yeah, because you do not want to lose out on the profit that you already have for the stocks you're holding. Now, normally, the rising of the trend will not be up all the way. Yeah, there will always
volatility
along the way, whereby traders are encouraged to take profit periodically and re-enter when the momentum comes back. So if you look at this whole chart pattern as a whole,
all-time high.
This is a very interesting pattern whereby it's a Elliot retracement. Yeah, so we are looking at A, B, C. So it came all the way down here to C, and now
big correction.
We are entering a new trend, wave one. Now, normally wave one, for me, it can be a very strong wave one extended
Then
or
you want to stretch it
yeah. But for me, I'll rather wait for it to retrace back to uh, wave two.
before the start of wave two
Yeah,
to buy
before the start of wave three, because
wave three.
when it retraces back during wave two, then you can see where the support is. I predict that the support should be around this level, maybe 14,200 level. This is a very nice range for support.
Hmm.
Whereby if the retracement for wave two comes back to this level, and if it bounce back, I think we will be looking at a very nice uh, beginning of a wave three. That is a very good time to take position
Yeah.
because the upside you have more profit basically.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, it could be 14,000 can be a healthy index number because since the COVID, right, it has gone up since 9,000 to as high as 16,000 plus. And now, of course, the last 2 months, there was a major correction. It came down to there was maximum fear. So it went down to as low as 12,500 ish. And then now it looks like there's a rebound. But as Mr. Dominic mentioned, this is probably the start of a new wave, and that there's a lot of it looks like market has kind of like reached a certain level of peak, right? And that it might drop a little before it might trend up again. Okay, so that's all for today. To understand the meaning of triple top
And
and
entering a new wave.
the possibility of a
Entering a new wave.
new wave charts that yeah, 1 2 3 Elliot wave 1 2 3. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.